Hey everybody, down at Diversified with Patrick talking about some of the new INOGENI products. What have you got here, Patrick?
Well, these are the new extenders you've been showing us today, so I'm keen to learn more about them, but I'm also told they're really taking over when it comes to extending a USB in the meeting rooms. This is a really, really key thing for us, as you'd imagine, for an integrator, how to extend those cables, because it's rarely the stuff that comes out of the box from a vendor's kit is rarely going to do what we need it to do when you actually put it in place. So this is a really interesting product for us.
Yeah, you've got loads of different rooms and environments here, and again, as you say, what comes in the box is a 2-3 meter USB-C to USB-A connector or whatever, but the ability to be able to extend USB 3 over standard structured cabling up to 100 meters really gives you that flexibility to be able to deploy, and especially if you've got, like, you know, in the UK, listed buildings, concrete floors, you can't go and run those cables, and fibre optic just doesn't really cut it. So Cat6 copper works perfectly.
Yeah, and the other thing, you can't underestimate the fact that it's from a brand that we trust. It's got a 5-year warranty on it. You know, there's a lot of little black boxes you can buy, but you know, if they go wrong 3 months, 6 months, or even a year into that installation, you've lost all your money on that project. So, you know, you need to stick with something that you trust, that you know is going to work, and with a vendor that's, you know, brave enough to put a 5-year warranty on a little box like that, we're all in.
Very cool. Any other INOGENI products you use?
Yeah, we use some of the UCAM stuff as well. So we've been looking at that. You know, there's a lot of requirements for different cameras, camera switching. You know, there's some restrictions on the different platforms about what you can and can't use. So, you know, we recently had a project where we needed to put a content cam into a Cisco system. You know, you've got a product that does that, which was really, really useful. So that got us out of a hole. So yeah, some great stuff.
Fantastic. Check out inogeni.com. Go and check out these, available as just boxes, all with the face plates as well. Check out UCAM and all the other great INOGENI products. And again, Patrick, thank you for joining us, and loads of stuff. Follow Patrick on social and check out Diversified again for all of their great solutions globally. And follow us here at INOGENI, and we'll catch you on the next one.